Myself and the rest of the GenRight crew have tested these parts for years. And it's not just about the components themselves, it's the placement, it's the quality, it's making sure that everything is done as a system. And that's what gives you the best performance on and off-road. That's what I would say, not that other mumbo jumbo. Over the years, we've taken what we've learned from off-road racing and developed that into suspension kits that you can put on your Jeep. Our latest kit is for the JL, and that's what we call our EXS. We offer for the JK what we call our Elite system, and that is also a long travel coilover suspension. We also have our Tracer kit, which was developed for the LJ Unlimited, also for the TJ, and this kit was developed through our 4500 race car. We've got our original Legend kit, which is also a long travel, long arm suspension for the CJ, YJ, and TJ. All of these kits we've offered since day one. They're all great on and off-road, and I'm sure they will impress you on whatever trail you want to drive.